Did it.
Hey, Joshua.
Joshua. Here he comes. Joshua. Hey. Hey. Woo.
Does it stop raining or is it still raining?
Hard to tell.
It seems to be lightening up, that's why.
Yeah, it is. Thank you, Lord. Boy, she's got some long feet. Having fun so far? I forgot to get that medicine for you. I'm sorry.
What medicine?
Did you bite your lip right there, or?
Yeah.
You did?
Well, I didn't really bite it, but I picked at it.
Don't pick at it. That makes it worse. Trust me, I know about that. Woo, it's cold. Cool. Hi, pretty. Uh-oh, here comes this one. Joshua. Say hi to him. See if he'll say hello.
Joshua. Where are you going? You're fast.
His diaper's hanging out or something. Oh, okay, that's his bodysuit. I'm glad I put it on now. On the last one.
Joshua.
Come on. Ooh, watch out. Hey, boy.
Daddy rubbed your face. Joshua! Let's see if you can walk. Joshua, let's see if you can walk.
Sit him down somewhere and watch him. He'll walk.
Together.
I'm recording him. He's walking.
Oh no, it's starting to rain.
Well, we'll just wait.
It's just